Yes. Yeah, we are enjoying. You can see those are Guinea fowls. This is farm life. You see farm life. Very enjoy when you are at the farm. You've got everything. You just live life like somebody. Like the guys in the Bible. Those guys from the Bible. Yeah, they were living with the animals. You see? Just enjoy life. Farm life, I enjoy farm life. Got everything that you need. You produce your own things.
I love this life.
Produce meat.
I love the life.
Produce eggs.
I love the life.
Produce vegetables. Everything. You don't need to buy.
Yes.
Plus you eat healthy food.
That's
why I love farm life, guys. I love farming life. I love farm life.
No, I want to see a life. Chipinda zulu. Ngati mwe. Vana dzakamira so. Look at. Pinda zvedu. Chimboona kuti dzakandira here. Dzakandira here. Unondiona vanhu sayo. Yeah, aye. Yeah. Tauda kumbotsvaga breakfast. Yeah. Ayo. Ndiri.